Horizontal gas flow, carbonization furnace. 8 connection holes for flammable gas. It can provide uniform heating for a cylinder with a length of 6 meters. Installation of 8 fixed clasps. Can meet the requirements for a 2-meter diameter furnace door. Isolate oxygen from the wood. The design of door for bottom combustion chambers. The temperature of the furnace can be rapidly increased. The design of the oxygen inlet hole. It can ensure that 100% of the wood in the furnace is fully carbonized. This type of carbonization furnace dot can produce 3 tons of charcoal each time.